Hello students, this is Radhika Athare from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. My today's video is for class 10 students from your English Language and Literature, footprint book, second chapter, The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. Students, I have made this chapter into two different parts and this is my first part. In this part, I am going to introduce you to the two characters of the lesson. Plus, I am going to tell you how both of them met. But before I start with the summary, I want to again ask you one simple question. How will you feel if somebody breaks your trust? And what will be your reaction on it? If you ask me, then if somebody breaks your trust, definitely you're going to feel bad, you're going to feel hurt, and your reaction is that you're going to hate that person, you will stop talking to that person altogether, you will break relations with that person, and if somebody asks me to forgive that person, then it is going to be little bit difficult to forgive that person. Let us find out what one of the characters of our lesson did. There are two main characters in our today's lesson. The first character is that of Hari Singh. Hari Singh is a 15-year-old boy. He is an experienced thief. And when I'm saying that he is an experienced thief, then it is but natural that Hari Singh is not his original name, but one of the names that he has taken to hide his identity. Hari Singh is also keen in learning how to read and write. Now, the second character of the story is that of Anil. Anil is a 25-year-old man. He is a writer, a very simple, kind and easygoing person. Now coming to the summary. Hari Singh and Anil met in one of the wrestling matches. And looking at Anil, Hari Singh knew that Anil is a very easy target. And therefore he started increasing his acquaintance with Anil. When it was time to leave for home and Anil started moving towards it, Hari Singh followed Anil and showed his interest in coming along with him and serving him. But Anil very frankly told him that he cannot afford to pay Hari Singh for his services. Now, Hari Singh said that he would just need Anil to feed him, and that's what he is expecting. And Anil, because like I told you that he is a very kind-hearted person, he agreed to take Hari Singh with him, and he gave his balcony to Hari Singh to sleep. The next day, when Hari Singh prepared food for Anil, Anil immediately understood that Hari Singh did not know how to cook. And the proof of this is that Anil gave the entire food to the street dogs. And then Anil told Hari Singh that he will teach him how to cook. And at the same time, he also told Hari Singh that he will teach him how to read and write. Hari Singh started gaining Anil's trust. He used to make tea for Anil. He also used to go to the market to buy the daily supplies. And at the same time, what he did was he started making 1 rupee out of those supplies. He used to make sure that he saved that 1 rupee for himself after buying the entire supplies. And then he started learning how to read and write. Anil first taught him how to write his name. and he also promised Hari Singh that he would teach him to write the entire sentence. Hari Singh was quite enthusiastic learner, because he knew that once he starts knowing how to read and write, it is going to completely change his life. And therefore he also, like a very good student, started learning from Anil. Students, in my second part, I'm going to conclude the story by telling you what happened next. See you very shortly with the next part of the lesson. Till then, just watch the video one more time.